how to fix KB5041881 update failed to install on Windows 11. If you are trying to update Windows latest update, install your system and fail to install, then first workaround is go to settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key or right click on the start button, choose settings. From the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter, go to right side and look for troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on Run option against Windows Update and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, try to fix accordingly. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process in your Windows 11 system. After that, check whether your Windows Update failed to install, error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button, choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type services.msc. It will open services windows in your system. Click on OK and here go to the first services, background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose start. If you found already in start mode, then choose restart. After that, apply a double click on to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Finally, choose apply and OK to save the changes. The same process will be applied for the second services, Windows Update services. Look for Windows Update services. Same, right click on it and choose a start, and if you found already a start, then restart Windows Update services and set a startup type as automatic. After that, check whether your Windows Update failed to install, error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Disk cleanup. There may be a storage, so go to Windows search, type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup app. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose C drive where your program files and software were installed. Click on OK. Here check the option against temporary internet files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, etc. And finally click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this item? Choose delete files. It will clean your disk and free up some extra storage for your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Clean boot your system. Again, go to run option by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type msconfig, msconfig. It will open system configuration window. Here from the top menu bar, go to services tab. Here hide all Microsoft services, make the check against this option and choose disable all. Thereafter again go to top menu bar and choose startup and open task manager. A startup apps in task manager will open. Here look for any startup in your system, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all the enabled startup apps in your system. Manually disable this. After that, close task manager window and finally apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is Windows Update failed to install, error resolved or not. You can go to the next fixes. Go to CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute these 3 DISM tool one by one. DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after successfully execution of this DISM tool, execute the command sfc space / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction. It will take some times. Wait till 100% verification of your system completed. After that, don't forget to restart your system. You must restart your system and check whether your system Windows update resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update some Windows update components. Execute Windows update components. Same, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute some Windows update components as shown on a screen. First, stop these 4 services. Execute these all commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt windows, stop these 4 services. Execute here, and after that execute these 2 commands. All this command path will also available in my description box of videos. You may copy from there. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and after that start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. Execute one by one these 4 services, and after that don't forget to restart your system. Your Windows update failed to install error definitely be resolved.